Number 6. Set off. It means to start a journey or cause something to begin.
They set off for the mountains at dawn. They set off for the mountains at dawn. The fireworks set off a wave of excitement. The fireworks set off a wave of excitement. His speech set off a heated debate. His speech set off a heated debate.
Number 7. Set out. It means to begin an endeavor with a specific goal in mind.
She set out to write a novel in a month. She set out to write a novel in a month. They set out early to avoid traffic. They set out early to avoid traffic. He set out with the intention of breaking the record. He set out with the intention of breaking the record.
Number 8. Show up. It means to arrive or appear somewhere.
Despite the rain, a large crowd showed up. Despite the rain, a large crowd showed up. He promised to show up at my birthday party. He promised to show up at my birthday party. You never know who might show up at the reunion. You never know who might show up at the reunion.
Number 9. Sign up for. It means to register or enroll for something.
I signed up for a cooking class. I signed up for a cooking class. She's excited to sign up for the marathon. She's excited to sign up for the marathon. Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter. Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter.
Number 10. Sort out. It means to organize, resolve, or clarify something.
We need to sort out the details before proceeding. We need to sort out the details before proceeding. Can you sort out these files by date? Can you sort out these files by date? They finally sorted out their differences. They finally sorted out their differences.